Welcome to this guided meditation to balance your Solar Plexus Chakra for a happy, healthy stomach. Let's begin by getting comfortable, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep, letting go breath. And as you let that breath go, focusing on letting go of any tension you're holding on to, allowing it to just move out of your body, and allowing you to feel a little more comfortable as you continue to just breathe in and breathe out. Really allowing your breath to help you release and let go. Each breath allowing you to sink down deeper into the surface supporting you. Each breath allowing those shoulders to drop that little bit more as you become more and more settled in this moment. And so as you settle into this meditation and this moment, I want you to set your intention on bringing balance and healing to your digestive system through the activating power of your Solar Plexus Chakra. So let's start by relaxing your body, starting with your feet. As you focus down on your feet, start to feel them soften and release. Moving up to your legs now, hips, and your lower back. As you move your attention up to each part, focus on letting each part relax, allowing all of those muscles to lengthen and loosen as you continue to gently breathe in and out. Now starting to feel your abdomen soften, your chest area opening, your shoulders dropping that little bit more as you continue to breathe slowly and deeply. Letting this wave of relaxation travel down your arms, through your hands, and then all the way up to your neck and your face. That feeling of growing calm and ease moving now through every part of you, like a gentle, subtle current of energy. And as that energy continues to move through you and around you, you can notice the gentle rise and fall of your belly with each inhale and exhale. With each breath in, drawing in calmness and peace. with each breath out, continuing to release any tightness or discomfort, especially in and around your stomach area. And so as you continue to take those breaths, I'd like you to bring your attention to the area just above your navel, your solar plexus. As you settle your attention there, I want you to imagine a small, warm, glowing yellow light there, like a tiny sun within you. With each inhale, see this yellow light growing brighter, expanding its warmth and energy. Feel this warm light radiate throughout your abdomen, filling your entire stomach, your digestive organs, and all the surrounding areas with soothing, healing energy. This light is not only warming but also deeply restorative, reaching every corner of your digestive system, nurturing it back to perfect balance. This yellow light is your solar plexus chakra, the center of your personal power, digestion, and emotional well-being. Visualize the chakra spinning gently in a clockwise direction, radiating balance and harmony throughout your body. As it spins, it smooths out any blockages, both physical and emotional, allowing energy to flow freely and healthily through you. As this light expands, it begins now to dissolve any remaining tension or discomfort held in your abdomen. Notice how the light pulses gently with your breath, glowing brighter with each inhale. It's as if this light is massaging your stomach from the inside, releasing not only physical imbalances but also any trapped emotions or stress that may have settled in this area over time. This warm, vibrant energy is deeply cleansing, clearing away any stagnant energy that may have been causing disruptions in your digestion. Feel the light nourish every cell in your digestive system, promoting smooth, optimal digestion. With each soft pulse, your stomach and digestive organs are being bathed in this healing energy, restoring them to their natural state of health and balance. As the light grows stronger and more radiant, it begins to spread beyond your stomach, creating a warm golden aura around your entire midsection. This protective, nurturing aura envelops your digestive system now, shielding it from any negativity or imbalance. It acts as a powerful barrier, ensuring that only positive healing energy can reach your digestive organs, maintaining their health and harmony. Feel the aura expanding even further, connecting you with your sense of personal power and confidence. Imagining this golden light is now extending upwards through your chest out into the world, aligning your sense of self with the strength and stability of your Solar Plexus Chakra. As the light shines even brighter, you are becoming more aware of your own power and resilience, feeling yourself becoming more empowered and capable and at ease. This light is not only healing your digestive system, but also restoring your emotional balance. Any emotions that have been trapped in this area, such as worry, fear, or doubt, are gently being released and transformed by the light. Feeling a sense of emotional release as this energy clears away old patterns, restoring your emotional body to a state of calm and balance. Feel the strength of your solar plexus chakra as it continues to spin and radiate. Aware now of this powerful energy moving through you, filling you with a warm, healing glow. Know that this energy is moving into perfect balance, radiating health, vitality, and happiness throughout your entire body. This light is a beacon of your inner strength, ensuring that your body, mind, and spirit are aligned in harmony and optimal health. And while you are focusing on this glowing yellow light inside, repeat these affirmations silently or out loud. With each affirmation, feel them becoming true for you, syncing them with the gentle rhythm of your breath. My stomach is healthy and strong. I digest my food with ease and comfort. I am confident and balanced, radiating personal power. My solar plexus chakra is balanced, bringing harmony to my entire being. Let these affirmations anchor deeply into your mind and body. Imagine each affirmation becoming a part of your energy, reinforcing the balance, strength, and health that you have cultivated. Feel the light of your solar plexus chakra gently beginning to stabilize now, continuing to radiate warmth and power, but now settling into a steady, calm glow. This glow represents the ongoing balance you have created, a source of continuous support and healing for your stomach, your emotions, and your sense of self. Know that this balanced energy will stay with you, maintaining harmony within your body and mind. And now it's time to gradually return to full awareness. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, begin now to feel the surface beneath you, the weight of your body, and aware of the space around you. Gently start to move your fingers and toes, bringing subtle, gentle movement back into your body, and slowly, when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me for this guided meditation. As you move through your day, I hope that you will carry this sense of balance and peace with you, knowing that your stomach is happy, healthy, and in harmony. And if you enjoyed this session, you can listen to it ad-free along with over 100 additional audio sessions on the Calm Gut app, available on the App Store. Click on the link below to get started with a free 7-day trial. And up next is a guided hypnosis journey to help you find relief from the burdens of past trauma and emotional turmoil that can impact gut health.